Want to make passive income with Amazon affiliate marketing? What if I told you that Quora, yes, Quora could be your secret free traffic machine? People are already searching for products you promote, and with the right strategy, you can turn their questions into commissions. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Quora without getting banned, because most of people do it wrong and they get banned. And I will show you guys one simple trick that can skyrocket your conversions and so much more. Okay, so just make sure to watch this video until the end so you can understand everything, and let's get started. This is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard, and I have been doing this business for over 5 years. I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing, and just last month, as you can see over here, I made $15,964 in commissions in one single month. Okay, anyway, for people who want to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing using Quora, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. Okay, so what you will do, super easy and simple, go to Google, search for Amazon Associate, click on the first link over here, and you will be directly in this page. Click on sign up like this. Okay, and click on create your Amazon account, and here you go. The sign up process to Amazon affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. Super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associates affiliate marketing. Should see summarize here your commissions, bounties, and so on. What you will do next is you need to create an account on Quora. So what we will do, we will go back to Google. Okay, go back to Google and search for Quora like this. Click on the first link. Sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Quora. And you should know that Quora has millions of monthly visitors. Okay, let me show you. So, did you know that Quora has 707 million monthly visitors? You guys can get so much traffic from Quora if you promote your affiliate links correctly, and if you follow those steps that I will share with you. And millions of people using Quora every single day. So what you will do next, you will go and open Quora account like this. Open your Quora account after you finish your sign up process. Like I said, super easy. Just use your email address to sign up, and that's it. This will be your home page. What you will do next, you will click here on the search of Quora, and you will ask question. You will search for specific keywords, or you can ask questions. So for example, I'm gonna search for best camera for YouTube, for example, and I will click on the search. I will search for best camera for YouTube. Okay, and here you go. What's the best camera for filming high quality YouTube videos? Do you see people asking questions here? They want to know what's the best cameras that they can use to start recording YouTube videos. Okay, so you have a lot of what is the best vlogging camera that isn't too expensive. Here is another one. If we scroll down, you can find more questions. If you scroll more down, we can find questions. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna choose for example those first questions to show you how you can promote your Amazon affiliate links on Quora. Okay, let's pick the first question. What's the best camera for filming high quality YouTube videos? You see how many people follow this question, which is really good. This is also a tip, guys. Make sure to choose questions that has a lot of followers. Okay, a lot of people. Why? Because when you will click here on answer and you will answer this question with your affiliate link, those people will get notification of your answer. Okay, which is really good because those people are interested to know what's the best camera for filming high quality YouTube videos. So what I will do next as an Amazon affiliate marketer, I will go back to Amazon. I will open amazon.com like this, and I will search for YouTube. I will search for YouTube camera. Okay, like this. Search for YouTube camera, scroll down, and here you go. What you need to do is you need to choose a good camera that you can start promoting on Quora as an Amazon affiliate marketer. So how we can choose good camera? Always choose cameras, or always in general choose products that got at least over 1,000 sales in the past month. Okay, for example, like this one, over 2,000 people paid for this one in the past month, meaning that this one is good. Okay, if we scroll down, here is another one, over 2,000 people paid for this one in the past month. If we scroll more, we can find more products here about cameras for YouTube. Okay, anyway, let me see here. I think like this one is good. You guys can see this one here. Over 4,000 people paid for this one in the past month. This one is good. I will choose this one. I will click on this product. Okay, the best camera for YouTube videos, and here you go. You will be directly in this products page on Amazon. So what you need to do next is you need to promote this product. Sorry, you need to promote this product on Quora. Okay, so what we will do next is we will go to Quora. Okay, pay close attention. You will click here on answer. Okay, and so you will click on answer, you will see this bar, and you will answer this question with your affiliate link. Of course, you will not use your affiliate link directly on Quora like this. It's not allowed. Okay, so it's better to create a landing page or an affiliate website that you can use to promote your Amazon affiliate links on Quora. I will share with you guys just the method, but for you, you should create a landing page or an affiliate website. Okay, and also pay close attention to this. If you just created a new Quora account, you don't need to promote your affiliate links from the first. Okay, from answering your first question and add your link. You don't need to do this. Okay, you will at least answer between 10 and 20 questions with no link. Okay, no link. Then after that, you can start using your links to answer those questions and promote your affiliate links on Quora. So what I will do next, I will for example, I will copy this question. Okay, and I will go back to, I will use AI to answer this question, and you will go back to ChatGPT and ask him this. Okay, you can copy guys this prompt if you want. I ask ChatGPT answer this question, and I put the question here, and I after the question I put this, include my Amazon affiliate link for a YouTube camera, just one camera that I'm promoting. Okay, and here you go. ChatGPT give me this answer, which is really good. It's professional friendly. I will copy this. Hope this. Okay, I will copy this answer, and what I will do next, I will go back to Quora and I will answer this question. Okay, like this. Okay, you can put the camera name here. So for me, I will just remove this. This camera is okay. Key feature is 4K Ultra HD video, fast, and that's really good. So what I will do next, I need to put my affiliate link here. Okay, you can check it out here. So here you need to put your Amazon affiliate link. Of course, like I said, guys, in the beginning, sorry, you need to create a landing page or an affiliate website that you can start using if you don't want your Quora account to get banned. It's better to use landing page or an affiliate website. And what I will do next, you need to put your affiliate website here. So for me, I will go back to this camera page on Amazon, to this product. And to get an affiliate link for this product, you just need to click here on get link. And here you go. Copy this link. This is your affiliate link that you can use. Go back to Quora and put this affiliate link here. Okay? And here you go. You see this? I'm gonna remove this. So I will click on post and my answer will be sent to this. Okay? I'm gonna remove this. Let me show you. It's gonna be posted like this. You see this? So people who search for the best camera for filming high quality YouTube videos, they will see my answer like this, and this is my affiliate link. And a lot of people following this question like I show you, okay? That's how you can promote your Amazon affiliate links on Quora. Thank you so much for watching. I will share with you guys a pro tip also that for free, okay? So here is what you will do. You can also do to get a good traffic. Go back to Google, search for best camera, search for best camera for YouTube videos, for example. Okay, search for best camera for YouTube videos. Scroll down and go over here to people ask, also ask, go to this option, and here you go. You will see here a question from Quora. Okay, it's ranking here on Google so people who search for on Google, who go to Google and search for best camera for YouTube videos, they are searching for topics and answer for this question. What's the best camera? They are searching, doing a research. They will see this. People ask question. They will see here Quora. If they click on this question, let me show you. They will be, what's the best? They will be directly in this question over here. Okay. So I already written, you see here, you have written an answer. I already did this, okay? So for you, you will answer this question. That's it. That is ranking on Google with your affiliate link. It's the same process, okay? And this question is ranking on Google, which is good for you to get traffic from Google, and that's it, okay? And you have a lot here, okay? If you go back, you will find more. Okay, search for questions that are on Quora. And here is another one. Which is the best quality camera for self video making? You can also click on this question. And here you go. Okay, you will click on answer. Okay, sorry. Which is the best quality camera for self video making? So what you will do, you will click on answer. And here you go. You will answer questions that are ranking on Google. Like this, you are getting good traffic from people who search for to buy cameras to start recording videos. And by the way, if you want to start making money through affiliate marketing, I want to personally invite you to join my exclusive course. I have created a step-by-step guide, a course that I'm sharing all my secrets and how I'm making consistent commissions every single day, how I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing. Of course, I'm not using just Quora, I'm using YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Pinterest, and more. If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will get back to you. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. Like this video if you want to see more new methods like this, and see you in my next videos.